Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. Today I got a quick video for you on the update. After I've done my side mirror units to DRL units, I've decided to do the side light ones as well at the front with the indicators. So I've got the new units there. This side's already got it. I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and I'm going to show you how to install it on the other side, obviously, what you need to do and how easy it is. And this is error-free, guys, and it looks awesome. I'm going to give you a quick shot of the new one now, and obviously you know what your original one looks like. Right guys, so this is obviously the new unit. Like you see, cool design, it fits in there perfectly. The cover from the original unit goes on it, so it matches everything. The other great function about this as well, you got the indicator there. I got the sliding line at the moment, but you got the switch at the back there that you can put different setting, and you can have all 6 of them coming on at the same time. So obviously I got it on the sliding one because it matches my side mirror at the moment. If you're interested in the side mirror one, don't forget to watch my previous video, guys, how I fitted that on there, because that is another cool addition to my car. Right guys, so here we got the new unit. As you can see, you got a little block here, which is what you got the resistor in, for obviously avoiding the error message on your dashboard. You know, as the system on this is quite sensitive, so that's what that is there for. And this is the switch, like I said previously, on the indicator unit, that you're going to have the setting that you want. Like I said, I matched my one with the units on the side mirrors. It depends what you want. If you want them all to flash together, just obviously switch it on the right setting, check it when you fit it on. So there's a sticky pad on this unit. They can stick it pretty much here on the back of your bumper inside there, so don't forget to do that. And there's 2 options, guys. If you want to make it easier for yourself, you can watch my video that I got on headlight removal. It takes about 5 minutes extra to do that, so you can stick that on properly so you can see what you're doing. But I'm going to do it today, but just a simple way, because I obviously can do it. It was quite easy to do it on the other side. It's just harder to explain, to be honest, how it fits on there. But I'm sure if you look at it, you'll understand that you push it towards it and it will stick on. I would just clean it with a bit of brake cleaner first and a bit of paper on there so it sticks on properly. So what I'm going to show you now, obviously, is how to remove it, how to do it the easiest way, guys. Right guys, so the first thing to do is take this cover off. So that just pulls off. It's held by plastic locators in there, so just slide it off. And what we got now is Torx 25 screw coming from the bottom here. So if you get a little screwdriver, get in there, unscrew it, and that's everything that holds it in. Right guys, so like I said, just unscrew that out of there. There you go. And it just comes off. And then you got, obviously, the 501 already come out of there. So you take the bulb out and just unplug this one as well. So pull that back, or just get the bulb out of there for now. So the unit is out. All you need is a little flat blade screwdriver to get in there and lift that up or lift it back. So I do it with my finger. No, that ain't gonna work. Let me just get a screwdriver. Alright, get a screwdriver there, lift it up. There you go. And that will come off. Right guys, so the next step will be removing this plastic cover off your old unit. So just lift it up off of there. It'll slide off, as you can see. You've got a couple holding it from the bottom as well. There you go, get that off of there. So all you have to do, obviously, is fit on your new unit now. Just slide it on there. Push them on there. Same at the back. Make sure everything's located properly. And that's job done, guys. Now we're ready to plug everything in and check if it's working. So here's the connector for the 501. Like I said, don't forget this will have to stick on inside there, like either on this side or slide it above the unit itself, but obviously on the inside of the bumper. So I just want to check that everything's working before I do that. So plug that in. There you go. And the 501 as well. There you go, it's plugged in. And obviously there you got the switch for the indicators. So I'm just going to put that in there quickly and check the position that I want the indicators to be on. So just going to turn the side lights and the hazard lights on. There we are, guys. So this is currently on the setting that all of them come on at the same time. So I'm going to flick the switch. As you can see, it changed. You got that sliding effect there, which is brilliant. That's what I want. So I'm going to leave it as it is now. Right guys, so next step, like I said, get a bit of paper with brake cleaner and get your hand in here. It's hard to show you obviously, but you got the plastic above the light that you can clean off. Make sure it's nice and clean. And that's where I'm gonna stick this on. So if you take the cover off, and obviously start putting it in there, I'll push it that way, grab it, get my hand in there in that big hole there, push it in a little bit and locate it on top there. Perfect, that's stuck on. And all you have to do now is you got a little locator there that slides in that hole. Fit on there, align it properly as you can see to match the line there, and put your screw back in there and job done, guys. Right guys, and the last step obviously is to fit your cover back on. So it slides in the hole there, locate it in properly and clip it back in. So you can see everything's aligned. Obviously if you think it's slightly off, you can do the screw there and adjust it either out or in a bit more. But with the cover on, that fits spot on there. Obviously now I'm going to try it again and make sure both of them are working. Right guys, so here we are, everything's back on. I turned the lights just to check them quickly and look at that, that looks spot on, guys. I'm definitely happy with it. Don't forget, I'm gonna put the link in the description below for this product, guys, because like I said, I can't fail it. That is spot on, and I've just checked, had the car running, and there's no error messages on the dashboard, so we're all good today. Right guys, so here we are. I think the job takes less than 10 minutes. It depends if you want to take the headlights out or not, but I think the way I've done it is nice and easy, guys. So as you can see, definitely massive improvement to the front of your car, guys. I'm happy with that. I think next step I'll probably be replacing, obviously I got the broken fog light on there, but I'm going to be replacing both of them, slightly darker ones, and I think that's going to look well cool on that. So yeah guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, give us a subscribe and a like, guys. If you got any more suggestions, please comment below. I would really appreciate that, guys. And yeah, have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.